Hey awesome learners, welcome to ImageAI Quick ML tutorial series. In the last tutorial, we have seen how we can predict the object inside the image using ImageAI. This is the code. I think you have get all the stuffs inside this code. So today's agenda is how we can predict multiple images at a time. Okay, that's today's agenda. So suppose I have a dog image, bike image, car image and cycle image. So how I can directly give all the images as the input to the image AI model and get the output. Okay, for that let me first open my image AI. Okay, so here I will create a folder name images. Fine. Inside images I will just copy. I let me move. Okay, I have moved 4 images over here. Okay, so now I am going to write the code so that it is single time point of time I will just give all the images as input and I will get the output. Okay, for that let me just create another Python file. I will name as multiple. It will be better if I will use the naming convention what I have given over here, multiple image prediction.py. Okay, okay, fine. Now let me open it on Visual Studio Code. I think my Visual Studio Code is running. Yeah, I can get my code over here, multiple image prediction. So let me just copy the code first. After that I am going to elaborate all the lines in the code. So let me first just copy the code and paste it over here. Okay, oh no, sorry. Okay, I get the code. Okay, fine. So just come to here. What happened, first we have imported all the required packages. We will just require image AI prediction and OS. Okay, then we have just taken the execution path, that is in which file we are working in. Okay, the current working directory. Okay, in the next step what we have done, we have instantiated our model. We have discussed in the last few tutorials that we have to instantiate our model first. Okay, we have to create the instant and we have to initialize all the model parameters to the models, and finally we have load our model. Okay, so this is our model is now ready. Okay, so the next part is how we are going to just create the list of images. Okay, for that we have defined a empty array. Okay, and we have looped throughout the images folder. Here we have looped throughout the images folder, and inside images folder, if the image if the file we have looked through all the files, and if the files extension is .jpg or .png, we have just append, means we have inserted that file to our list, that is the list is all images array. Okay, we have append in the sense we have inserted that file name to our list. Finally the result array. Okay, let me say you one thing. This is our now our list is ready. Okay, so the next part is we will pass the list as the argument to a method. That method is going to responsible for detecting all the for predicting all the objects inside that images. Okay, so for that image AI had given us a awesome model, that is predict multiple images. We don't have to do anything, we just have to call that predict multiple images. This method takes two parameters. First, the array of images. Okay, we have created the list of images, we can pass that through the first argument, and the second argument is result count per image. Okay, that will be how much result you want for predictions. Okay, after that what we have done, we have just looped through each of the detection, and we have just printed out all the detection. Okay, that's all. So simple code. Let me just save it and run it for you. Okay, I'm going to open my code. I have a lots of command prompt. Okay, this is my command prompt. Okay, so let me run my code. Python space multiple image detection.py, enter. Okay, just to wait, it will. Oh sorry, I have written something. Okay, let me just check. Python space multiple image prediction.py. Okay, detection. Okay, it's my fault, sorry. So it will take some time because it is processing all the images at. Wow, it have shown all the outputs. Okay, so first image is just Labrador Retriever, that is the dog. Then the second is convertible. Third is mountain bike, and the fourth one is moped. Okay, that is a scooter bike. Okay, so it have detected each images, and it is showing the output for each image prediction.